Hello student, good day to all of you. Today we are going to study economics subject chapter number 3b, elasticity of demand. In this lecture we are going to study methods of measuring price elasticity of demand. So first method of measuring price elasticity of demand is ratio or percentage method. In this method we method, elasticity of demand is measured by dividing or making division the percentage change in demand by the percentage change in price. So percentage method is also known as arithmetic method. Whenever there is an exam, arithmetic method will be asked, write down this method. Price elasticity is measured as there is a formula. Elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. So it can be shown symbolically, that is elasticity of demand is equal to percentage triangle Q. Triangle means change in quantity demanded divided by percentage triangle P. Triangle means percentage change in price. So mathematically the above formula can be presented as under: elasticity of demand is equal to triangle Q divided by Q. Here triangle Q means change in quantity demanded and Q means original quantity, divided by whole equation divided by triangle P divided by P. So triangle P change in price and P is the original price. When we invert this, we get it elasticity of demand is equal to triangle Q divided by Q, and here the division symbol will be converted into multiplication, multiplied by P divided by triangle P. It can be explained with the help of example. There is a numerical example given in your textbook. First column is price, second quantity demanded in kgs, third one is formula. So in the first column is 10 kg, and when the price changes from 20 to 25 rupees, then quantity demanded also changes from 10 to 9 kgs. So original price is rupees 20 and new price is P is equal to 25 and triangle P is equal to 5. Why? Because there is a difference between 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. 25 is the new price, 20 is the original price, and the difference between these two is 5. And next one is quantity demanded. So Q is the original quantity, which is 10 kg, and new quantity demanded is 9 kg, and triangle Q is equal to 1. That is the difference between the 10 and 9. When we apply the formula given above, elasticity of demand is equal to triangle Q divided by Q multiplied by P divided by triangle P, and putting the values which is given, elasticity of demand is equal to 1 by 10 multiplied by 20 by 5. 1 is the change in quantity demanded, 10 is the original quantity, 20 is the original price, and 5 is the change in price. So we get it, the elasticity of demand is equal to 0.4, which is less than 1, which is less than 1. So elasticity of demand is less than 1. It means elasticity demand. Next method is total expenditure method. So this method was developed by Professor Alfred Marshall. In this method, total amount of expenditure before and after the price change is compared. So first calculated total amount of expenditure. and next one after the price change, before and after the price change is compared. So here the total expenditure refers to the product of price and quantity demanded. Total expenditure means what? Product of price, to the product of price and quantity demanded. Product means here multiplying the price and quantity demanded. So we get it total expenditure. Then write down total expenditure is equal to price multiplied by quantity demanded. So in this connection, Marshall has given the following propositions. First one, relatively elastic demand. Equation is elasticity of demand is greater than 1 when with a given change in the price of a commodity total outlay increases. Elasticity of demand is greater than 1 म्हणजे जर टोटल आउटले त्याच्यामुळं जर टोटल आउटले किंवा टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर इन्क्रीज झाला आहे तर काय कसं असणार आहे, कोणता टाईप असणार आहे तो? रिलेटिव्हली इलास्टिक डिमांड. दॅट इज इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज ग्रेटर दॅन 1. Second one, unitary elastic demand. Unitary elastic means 50-50 changes. Elasticity of demand is equal to 1 when price falls or rises. Total outlay does not change or remain constant. Elasticity of demand is equal to 1. So here 50-50% change in prices or total outlay. Third one, relatively inelastic demand, which is seen earlier. Elasticity of demand is less than 1 when with a given change in price of a commodity total outlay decreases. जर प्राइस चेंज झाली आणि टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर और आउटले डिक्रीज झाला तर काय असणार आहे, तो कोणता टाईप असणार आहे? इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज लेस दॅन 1. दॅट इज रिलेटिव्हली इन इलास्टिक डिमांड. म्हणजे आपण हे जे टाईप्स आहेत ते आपण ह्याच्यावरून ठरवू शकतो. या टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर मेथडच्या यूज करून आपण हे टाईप्स जे आहेत प्राइस इलास्टिसिटीचे आपण ते डिसाईड करू शकतो बाय यूजिंग दिस इक्वेशन. मग आता इथे एक एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे. टोटल आउटले मेथड. फर्स्ट कॉलम इज प्राइस इन रुपीज. सेकंड क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड इन युनिट्स. टोटल outlay, third column total outlay, that is price multiplied by quantity demanded in rupees, and last one is elastic rupees. त्याच्यामधला ए. आता ए जी आहे कॉमोडिटी ती बघायची आपल्याला. तर प्राईस 10 होती तेव्हा त्याची क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड काय होतं? 6 होतं. आणि 10 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 6 इज इक्वल टू 60. म्हणजे टोटल आउटले काय येणार आहे आपलं? 60. आणि 20 जेव्हा झाली प्राईस त्याची एची तेव्हा काय झालं? क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड काय? 5. सो 20 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 5 इज इक्वल टू 100. आणि इथे काय आहे बघा, फर्स्ट वन जेव्हा प्राईस 10 होती तेव्हा काय आहे? टोटल आउटले किती मिळालं आपल्याला? 60. आणि जेव्हा प्राईस इन्क्रीज झालेले टोटल आउटले काय मिळालं आहे? 100. सो इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज ग्रेटर दॅन 1. सेकंड वन बी. ॲट प्राईस 30 क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड इज 4. 30 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 4 इज इक्वल टू 120. and when the price becomes 40 quantity demanded in units is 3. 40 multiplied by 3 is equal to 120. So both are equal. So elasticity of demand is equal to 1. जो आपल्याला सेकंड वन टाईप मिळाला आहे तो काय? युनिटरी इलास्टिक डिमांड. अँड थर्ड वन सी. when the price 50 quantity demanded is 2. 50 multiplied by 2 is equal to 100. And when the price becomes 60 of C, quantity demanded is 1 units. So 60 multiplied by सो इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज लेस दॅन 1. आता फर्स्ट वनमध्ये बघा काय होतं आहे, इन्क्रीज होतं आहे टोटल आउटले. एचं फर्स्ट जी प्राईज होती 60 होती आणि नंतर काय झालं आहे, इन्क्रीज झालं आहे. म्हणून इथे काय घेतलं आपण, इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज ग्रेटर दॅन 1. सेकंड वनमध्ये सेम होतं, सो इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज इक्वल टू 1. 50-50 झालेलं आहे. आणि थर्ड वनमध्ये 100 होती ओरिजिनल आणि नंतर काय झालं आहे, टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर और आउटले काय झालं आहे, डिक्रीज झाला आहे, 60वर आला आहे. म्हणून इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड इज लेस दॅन 1. सो इन एक्झाम्पल ए, ओरिजिनल प्राइस इज ₹10 per unit and quantity demanded is 6 units. See the explanation which is given below the table. So in this lecture we studied ratio or percentage method, and second one total expenditure or total outlay method. In the next lecture we are going to study next methods. So till then, thank you.